Radio City Center Stage.
So let's start with you. मतलब क्वेश्चंस रिवर्स ऑर्डर में पूछना चाहती हूँ, बट पहले मैं आज के कॉन्टेक्स्ट में पूछूंगी जरूर. कोविड का टाइम है, व्हेन वी मीटिंग यू, डिफिकल्ट डेज, डिफिकल्ट टाइम. हाउ आर यू कीपिंग योरसेल्फ मोटिवेटेड? अपने को कैसे मोटिवेट करो आप?
See, one thing is very sure. When somebody loves its own kind of a work which they have created in all kind of environments, so definitely आपको अपने आप को busy रखने के लिए एक सबसे अच्छा source तो आपका अपना work place है. So yes. I love that place and I always miss the place. In the lockdown, definitely I had been motivating the sales team through these video conferencing and all those which was going on. So right. This is the best time and this is the best thing. Now we can recover from all those past situations and keep ourselves more busy and more focused somehow. That's it.
Sir, डर लगता है आपको भी? I'm sure you know these days all of us have been through various sort of fears. कभी डर, घबराहट. How do you deal with fears? या डर लगना?
हाँ, डर लगना एक it's a psychological impact in the human mind. But yes. Somehow, if you can cope up with the situation somehow and gain the confidence in this kind of an era, so I think things come very easy on the way. So डर लगता भी है, लेकिन उससे फाइट करने की ताकत भी मिलती है. तो अपने आप ही आपको you're the guiding line, so you have to be stronger than the strongest. So that is the most
strongest. Yes sir. Sir, कहते हैं ना, मतलब हर बार जब आप एक पोजीशन पे पहुंच जाते हो, when you look back ना, तो there is like this entire journey जो आप लेकर आए हो. Let's give an audience a little bit of idea. आपकी journey कैसे शुरू हुई थी? Like getting in here, इस point तक पहुंचना है, कभी सोचा था? तो वो थोड़ा सा backdrop sir.
बहुत interesting time निकाला है. It is almost 3 decades now that we are into this business, and we started on a very small note, but with a very small amount in hand and a very small vision at that moment of time, almost 30 years back. So that was the time when I was very young, and I also came out from my school days and my college days, and with no very clear-cut focus in the mind what to do. But suddenly, when the things started catching up, and it came into my mind that beauty industry is such an industry which will keep on growing immensely in this country.
Yeah.
Because the country is growing, and definitely the technology will grow, and when the technology will grow, all the aspects will come together, and it will find and combine to be a very fine force together. So that is where my focus area entered into the mind. And when I started this product, it was a product which was not well known to the customers or the consumers. So all those conventional ways were going on in the market, like using the razors and all the different kind of products which were homemade products. So when this commercially viable product entered into the market, so it was welcomed with open hands by the customers, and gradually the sales started picking up. Gradually the team started building up. Gradually the all those modules which were required, they came into action, and today we are the largest selling wax of India in the country.
सब एक चीज है, जब हम लोग like today when we quote पुरानी कोई lines अपने teachers की, parents की ना, there are these moments which are very inspiring. Like I always had sessions with students, I teach them sometimes, and I tell them कि जब मम्मी पापा पहले बोलते थे या teachers बोलते थे, बकवास लगती थी. Now when you sit and work and you enter the real world, you realize हर चीज clearly याद आती है. So do you have a moment which is like the most inspiring, या आज भी now when you think कि हाँ यार वो सही बोलते थे? Those moments which push you.
Yeah, there are many such moments in life, and as the things got really catchy when I started, and gradually when the things got started picking up, so there were few people in the market. They still exist, and whenever you're sitting with them and whenever you're in conversation with them, they keep on reminding you about those old things, and the motivation level goes up. So
Yes.
These are the few factors which definitely keep you moving and look absolutely right in the right direction, for the future as well. So these are the motivating factors that come in between somehow.
Keep coming back, sir. But how are failures in life? We all talk about the inspirations, we all talk about the achievements. How have you dealt with failures, if at all? And are you scared of failures also?
I believe personally that failure is the integral part of success. If failure is not there, success can never
Yeah.
reach you. So
Yes.
whenever there is a kind of a failure in the distribution system, a failure in the life supporting system, the failure in any walk of life, it gives you immense strength to get up again. It gives you immense strength to let you know where you were wrong, what has to be corrected, and which road is right now. So the choice comes very 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 clear in front of your eyes. So I have seen failure every time, or whenever that situation has arisen, I've given it a very welcome thought to move ahead.
I think it is very important, sir, क्योंकि आपको देखकर आपकी टीम भी बहुत मोटिवेट होती है. So how you deal with it, I'm sure is how your team deals with it as well. Sir, आजकल के time में, of course, the teams are also demotivated. Like I sat with my CEO the other day and I was like, सब कुछ ठीक है, बस मैं demotivated because life is a little bland, it's very plain. How are you pumping the spirits and how are you planning to come back? Because धीरे धीरे अब चीजें पटरी पे आ रही हैं, work wise.
See, I'm very thankful to all the team members and the supporting members, those who are serving this league at this moment, and they have always been a very thoughtful strength for the entire organization. And today also, in this COVID era, we have came across a kind of the kind of social distancing is going on, but still we are on a platform where we could say that yes, we are on the revival platform, and we are picking up very fast, and we are doing out good sales right now as well, because sleek wax has always been an essential category in the cosmetic list now. So that way the team remains motivated, and certain targets, certain incentives, workshops keeps on going, and we always try to nurture the team just like we nurture our family. So that's an integral part. You have to take care of every human being as a human being, and we are doing the same in our organization as well. So thankfully they are motivated enough to keep holding the hands and moving in the right direction.
Just curious to know, sir, sleek का जैसे chocolate wax we spoke about, it became a trend.
Yeah.
Fads and fashion keeps happening. ये experiments कैसे होते हैं वहाँ पर? Like how do you guys keep experimenting, launching new things? How do you do this? Is this like a lot of studying, searching?
Yeah, see, certainly there are a few factors, the kind of factors which count, and they give you the motivation to, change your present scenario to the next level scenario. So whenever we survey the market, we have a separate survey team with us, and they keep on surveying the market and the position of the wax category products every 365 days across the year. So whenever we get a feedback, we definitely get a feedback about the products which are, which can be upcoming products and which can be given a strength by way of that. Yes, this is the change from the old sleek to the new sleek. And chocolate wax is such a concerned area that when we launched this product, we used and we tried to have the best materials available in the country, जिसे हम आत्मनिर्भर भारत आजकल कह रहे हैं. और हमने इस प्रोडक्ट को इतना नर्चर करके इतना ध्यान से दिया मार्केट में कि उसकी जो यूएसपीज हैं उसको हमने अपने पास रख के अपने संभाल के हमने उनको बताना शुरू किया, एंड द कस्टमर गॉट like removing the tan from the skin, which is a very important product aspect nowadays for any sort of a skin human being has. So these are the things which counter, and these are the things which carry on for the product when we launch it in the market.
So that's about the product. Let's talk about you now. How do you de-stress yourself?
How do I? Sorry?
De-stress yourself.
De-stress myself. Just one thing. Music, 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 and music. I love music, and whenever I get time, I am an avid lover of Kishore Kumar, the old songs, and the movies. So that's the entertainment part where I never miss myself, and I keep absolutely ready myself for this entertainment all the time.
Wow, so music मुझे लगता है universal God gift है.
Yeah,
which helps
And of course, nowadays, meditation is again a very good aspect of de-stressing yourself. And that is an integral part. That is an integral part. You need to do that time and again. तो पूरा week, पूरा month जब आपका निकल जाता है, बड़ा hectic सा schedule होता है. So meditation is also one thing which helps you immensely and detoxicate your mind, your body. So that is one part I am very much onto it.
Totally, sir. It does. और मुझे लगता है लॉकडाउन में बहुत लोगों ने योगा और मेडिटेशन की ओर रुझान किया है. They've taken it up seriously. So let's talk about shopping, because what really happens is कि आपका product हम लोग shop करते हैं. So there are a lot of times when we do impulsive shopping. There are a lot of times when you do stress shopping. आपके साथ होता है कभी you shop the things that you bought and you're very proud of, or something that you like, क्या ले लिया था मैंने? Do people like bosses also suffer from that shopping mania?
Yes, that is there. That is there. It happens, and unlike every human being, so every time, whenever you buy something, or you have a second thought, but that second thought comes after when you buy a product. So whether I've done the right choice, whether I've done the wrong choice. So that is always there. मेरे साथ भी कई बारी हुआ है और ऐसा होता है, and you carry on with the thing, and finally you come to know that yes, now this is the final thing which belongs to me, good or bad, this is mine.
Can't help it. Yes. No, that is why I said these interviews are very important, because we realize आप हमारी तरह बिल्कुल इंसान हो, and you make these filters.
बिल्कुल है. And you are playing a very good role in this society, and making everybody, entertaining is a very, very good thing which one can do in today's hectic world. So you're doing
sometimes. Thank you, sir. But let's have one quick message from you for a lot of people जो इस वक्त they have their own ventures but they are struggling. There are a lot of people who want to start something अपना Make in India के तहत कुछ शुरू करना चाहते हैं पर डर लगता है. Sir, a message to all those people from your end.
One single message is to all of those people, those who are actually struggling and actually thinking what to do and on which way to go. I think whatever they have in their mind, they should definitely stick to the plan. They should definitely remain focused. They should definitely wait and keep patience for the right day to arrive. This is very, very, very important. Now, if you see my journey, if you see the journey of Sleek Wax, everyone in the country knows Sleek only one single product company as a wax. So the focus was so, intense that I have never changed this focus. And this is what I want to give idea to every youth, to every business house, to every business, human being doing right over there, that please remain focused and keep patience. You will definitely win and win over, for sure.
Patience is the virtue. Give up नहीं करना है, उसके लिए patience चाहिए ही है. But thank you, sir. I think every word matters. Personally also it is very inspiring to talk. And then जब और लोग सुनते हैं तो मुझे पता है कुछ ना कुछ तो inspiration हर कोई ले ही लेता है. Thank you, sir, बात करने के लिए.
Thank you so much, and thank you for being part of the conversation.